In this digital age, screens have taken over our lives. Despite there being many apps designed to reduce scrolling, people don't know what to do with their time off the screen, leading them to fall back into their old habits. Introducing Unplug, presented by 21 Grams, a product that gamifies learning new skills and hobbies, reducing screen time in a more engaging and rewarding manner. Explore new hobbies designed with little screen time. Challenge yourself daily to earn awards, get points, and level up. Receive notifications to stay updated and never miss out. Stay motivated by competing with other players who share the same hobby interests, challenging each other and collaborating to enhance the enjoyment of learning a new hobby while providing each other with support. It's time to take back your time. Unplug.